So guys, today in this video, I'm gonna discuss something that may help ease Canada's housing crisis. Before I proceed further, if you have not yet subscribed to my channel, please go and subscribe right now. So guys, this is totally based on my experience and I'm not an expert. So if you take anything out of this, you do it at your own risk. So guys, right now, my house is going through renovations. I'm in my basement and I'm making a legal basement unit, a second unit in my house. And I followed the full legal process like drawings by an architect, approval by city, and now inspections at every stage. And it is going through and it will take time. These things do not happen in a single day. Now, the point I want to say here is this process is not cheap. It's expensive. Everything is expensive nowadays, be it labor cost, be it material cost, be it permit cost. It is. But at the end of it, what's going to happen? Like in my single family home, we are going to have two homes, like one legal basement unit that will be rented to to a family, a small family, of course. So that will definitely help. That will definitely help to get roof over someone's head. But the point is here, because of these high cost involved, I'm sure that a lot of homeowners, though those who do have space, do not go for this process. Maybe they want to, but because of the high cost involved, they don't want. So if they need money for it, they may like look for their savings or a line of credit, and they may not feel comfortable. So I think here the government should come up with a plan like interest-free second unit loan or something like that. Definitely put terms and conditions so that the money that is being given from here should not go to any other purpose, and government should be protected. Even putting a lien on the property, those things I can understand are like justified, no doubt. But I think if something like interest-free loans can be given for this purpose without any condition, like I know some cities have this kind of process, but they have conditions like if I'm not wrong, whom you can rent it to selected by city. I don't know much, but yes, there are certain conditions. So if these conditions can be removed, if these conditions can be removed and people get loans like this will definitely help. Yeah, as per my understanding. So this is something I would definitely like to see, and this will help at least to a certain extent. So thanks for watching this video. Please subscribe to the channel. Let me know what you think about it. Thank you.